Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome to English with Jackson and Lena. I am Jackson. I speak slowly. I am here to help you.
Hello, friends. I am Lena. I am very happy you are here. Smile. Relax. You are safe here.
Today's topic is very important. Today we learn doctor's office English. When you go to the doctor, you need English, simple English.
Maybe you feel afraid. Maybe you feel shy. It is okay. You can speak English. You can learn English.
Please remember, make mistakes. It is okay. Listen first, then repeat.
Sit comfortably. Breathe slowly. Let's learn together.
Doctor. A doctor helps sick people. Repeat after me. Doctor. Doctor.
I see a doctor. The doctor helps me. Again, slowly.
Nurse. A nurse helps the doctor. Repeat. Nurse. Nurse.
The nurse is kind. The nurse helps me.
Clinic. A clinic is a small hospital. Repeat. Clinic. Clinic.
I go to the clinic. The clinic is near my home.
Hospital. A big place for sick people. Repeat. Hospital. Hospital.
The hospital is big. Doctors work there.
Appointment. A time to see the doctor. Repeat slowly. Appointment. Appointment.
I have an appointment. My appointment is today.
Sick means not well. Repeat. Sick. Sick.
I feel sick. I am not well.
Pain means it hurts. Repeat. Pain. Pain.
I have pain. I have pain here.
Fever means hot body. Repeat. Fever. Fever.
I have a fever. My body is hot.
Headache. Pain in the head. Repeat slowly. Headache. Headache.
I have a headache. My head hurts.
Cough. Sound from the throat. Repeat. Cough. Cough.
I have a cough. I cough at night.
Cold. Runny nose. Sneezing. Repeat. Cold. Cold.
I have a cold. My nose runs.
Medicine helps you feel better. Repeat slowly. Medicine. Medicine.
I take medicine. Medicine helps me.
Tablet. Small medicine. Repeat. Tablet. Tablet.
I take one tablet after food.
Syrup. Liquid medicine. Repeat. Syrup. Syrup.
I drink syrup. It is sweet.
Allergy means body problem. Repeat slowly. Allergy. Allergy.
I have an allergy. I sneeze a lot.
Stomach. Food goes here. Repeat. Stomach. Stomach.
My stomach hurts. I feel pain.
Blood pressure. Doctor checks it. Repeat. Blood pressure.
The doctor checks my blood pressure.
Temperature shows fever. Repeat. Temperature.
My temperature is high.
Report is test paper. Repeat. Report. Report.
This is my report. Doctor reads it.
Rest means relax. Repeat slowly. Rest. Rest.
I need rest. I sleep well.
I don't feel well. Repeat.
I don't feel well today. I don't feel well.
I need to see a doctor. Repeat.
I need to see a doctor. Today.
I have pain. Repeat.
I have pain here. I have pain.
I have pain. Repeat slowly.
I have a headache. Very bad.
I have a fever. Repeat.
I have a fever. Since morning.
I have a cough. Repeat.
I have a cough. Day and night.
I feel weak. Repeat slowly.
I feel weak. I need rest.
Lena, patient.
Hello, doctor.
Jackson, doctor. Hello, please sit. Repeat after me.
Thank you, doctor.
How can I help you?
I don't feel well.
Repeat. Okay, what is the problem?
I have a fever and a headache.
Since when?
Since yesterday.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
Do you have a cold?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, I will check you. Your temperature is high.
Is it serious? Repeat slowly.
No, don't worry. You need rest and medicine.
Okay, doctor.
Take this tablet 2 times a day after food. Repeat.
Okay.
Drink this syrup at night.
Thank you, doctor.
Drink water. Sleep well. Come back after 3 days. Now your turn. Answer slowly. Question 1. Do you feel well? Pause.
No, I don't. Repeat.
Question 2. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I do.
You are the patient. Pause. Say, I don't feel well.
You are the doctor. Say, how can I help you? Very good. Again.
Let's review. Doctor, clinic, medicine, fever, pain. Repeat.
Repeat sentences. I don't feel well. I have a fever. I need to see a doctor. You did great.
You spoke English today. You are learning. You are improving.
Write one sentence in the comments. I don't feel well. Or, I went to the doctor.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next video. Smile. Keep practicing. Goodbye. Stay healthy.